In this state-of-the-art facility, every factor is controlled. Robotic sensors meticulously track temperature.
The last batch is almost loaded.
Okay, I'm securing the doors now.
White chickens enter the automated system. Moments later, clean and neatly cut meat pieces come out, fast, efficient, and fully controlled. Robotic systems carefully place each portion into trays. Automatic sealing and labeling ensure accuracy and hygiene.
After packaging, the products enter refrigerated storage. Automated forklifts organize and stack each pallet with.
Finally, the delivery trucks are loaded and prepared for transport. A cinematic drone view captures the